Welcome to Epoch Lane, your time machine into England's wildest history. I'm Ollie, and today we're stepping into the chaotic, thrilling world of the Tudor Dynasty. Picture this: swords clashing, kings crowned, and betrayals that make your favorite drama series look tame.
A golden age begins.
Henry VII's wedding, 1486. This is the story of power, love, and revolution that shaped England, and even America's roots. Get ready for Tudor Tangles, where we unravel the drama of Henry VIII and Elizabeth I. Let's dive in. So, who were the Tudors? They were the royal family that ruled England from 1485 to 1603, kicking off with Henry VII. This guy? He ended a brutal civil war, the Wars of the Roses, by snagging the crown at the Battle of Bosworth. Talk about a power move. But the real stars? Henry VIII and his daughter, Elizabeth I. Henry's the king, you know, for his 6 wives. Yep, 6. And Elizabeth? She's the queen who turned England into a global powerhouse. Why should you care, especially if you're in the USA? Because their choices, love, religion, power, sparked ideas that crossed the Atlantic, influencing everything from your constitution to religious freedom. Plus, it's a story packed with drama that'll keep you glued. Let's meet the man who started it all, Henry VIII. Took the throne in 1509, young, handsome, and ready to make England shine. Early on, he threw lavish parties and even met the French king at a glitzy summit called the Field of the Cloth of Gold. Think red carpets, but with jousting. But here's where it gets juicy. Henry wanted a son to secure his dynasty, but his first wife, Catherine of Aragon, wasn't delivering. Enter Anne Boleyn, smart, bold, and not the queen. Henry fell hard, but there was a problem. Divorce wasn't easy in Catholic England.
No, we cannot accept this.
Supremacy 1534. So, what did Henry do? He broke England from the Pope, created the Church of England, and made himself its head in 1534. Talk about a power grab. This wasn't just about love, it was about control, and it set off the English Reformation. But Anne? She didn't last. Accused of treason, probably unfairly, she was beheaded in 1536. Henry moved on, marrying 4 more times, chasing that male heir. Spoiler, only one son, Edward, survived, but at what cost? Henry's marriages, 6 in total, were a roller coaster of love, betrayal, and executions. His 3rd wife, Jane Seymour, gave him Edward, but died in childbirth. The others? Divorced, beheaded, or outlived him. This drama reshaped England's religion and politics, laying seeds for America's push for freedom. Henry died in 1547, leaving his sickly son, Edward VI, as king. Edward pushed Protestant reforms, but he died young at 15. Then came Mary I, Henry's daughter, who flipped England back to Catholicism, earning the nickname Bloody Mary for burning Protestants. Mary Newer's persecutions, 1553-1558, Mary's reign was intense, but short. By 1558, her half-sister Elizabeth I took the throne, and trust me, she was a game-changer. Elizabeth I, daughter of Anne Boleyn, ruled from 1558 to 1603. A woman in a man's world, she faced plots, wars, and pressure to marry. Her response? I'm married to England. She stabilized the country and made a Protestant powerhouse. Her biggest win? Defeating the Spanish Armada in 1588. Spain's massive fleet was no match for England's clever tactics and stormy seas. This victory put England and Elizabeth on the world stage. And then, the Golden Age. Elizabeth backed explorers like Sir Francis Drake, who sailed to the Americas, inspiring early colonies. She also sparked a cultural boom. Enter William Shakespeare, writing plays that still shape our world. Talk about a legacy. Why do we, especially in the US, love the Tudors? Their story is everywhere. From the Tudors TV series to movies about Elizabeth, their drama hooks us.
I regret nothing.
It is not your place to question me.
But it's more than drama. The Tudors' fight for power and freedom echoes in America's founding. The Magna Carta, strengthened under their watch, inspired your Bill of Rights. And Henry's religious split? It paved the way for religious liberty debates in the U.S. Fun fact, Elizabeth's victory speech after the Armada is studied in American leadership courses. These royals weren't just English. They shaped the world, including yours. That's the Tudor Tangles. From Henry's wild love life to Elizabeth's epic reign, the Tudors changed history. What's your favorite Tudor moment? Henry's 6 wives or Elizabeth's Armada win? Drop it in the comments below.